Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, this is something new that I experienced here in Swiss since I own my bike. So guys, I've been bringing my bike to the garage a few times. This is something new guys for me. After the service, they are actually clean my bike. Look guys, it is really clean. It was not clean at all, and then when I got it back, now the bike is very clean. I don't know guys, maybe in your country are doing the same. Comment guys if in your country they do the same, they clean the bike. Look, I mean, it's not just like cleaning after the service, the dirt, but they are really cleaning the entire bike. Look, they clean the whole thing. I mean, if they are doing the service and then they clean the part that they are been touching and leave the mark or mess right there, but this one is not. They are actually clean the whole bike. This is just something new for me. I don't know guys if it's in your place or doing the same in the garage that you service the bike, they do the same. Comment down below guys. Wow, I like it, this one. So I don't need to wash the bike again at home since it's already clean. But yeah, this is a new experience for me here in Switzerland. It's, I don't know, I like it, the service. I do the service, I mean I buy the bike in Hostetler, so I'm always going there to service my bike, and then they are, so far they never fail me. They are always doing a great job. It's really nice. Alright guys, I guess that's it, the video for today, and thank you for watching. See you guys another video.